Hi friends, this is Donzella from at Ms Donzella Cooks. Today I'm making a classic old-fashioned egg salad sandwich using just boiled eggs, mayo, salt and pepper, simple ingredients, a simple comfort food, and a filling lunch or in between meals. You can make it anytime. Sometimes the simplest food is the best one. And remember, friends, your main ingredient is love. So let's get started. Here, I've already chopped my eggs, and we're just going to add plain mayo. This is an old school favorite. Simple. I remember growing up, egg salad sandwich was really good. And let's mix it like so. And we're going to take just a little bit of salt, not much, and some black pepper. And if you like to add other ingredients, some people like to add celery, a little chopped green onion, a little other seasonings. But this is the classic egg salad sandwich. Simple ingredients, simple comfort food. It's cheap, it's filling. You can make it anytime. And it's also kid friendly. So again, simple egg sandwich. You add it on your bread like so. There we go. Nothing fancy. And again, friends, there's nothing fancy in my kitchen, just simple, delicious foods you'll find on my channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. A lot of old school favorites that I grew up with, that with the price of groceries being as expensive as they are this day and age, bringing some of those inexpensive, delicious old school favorites back. This is a good time to do it. So we'll put that like so. Let's cut this in half, friends. And friends, here you have it. A traditional, good old-fashioned, classic egg salad sandwich. Again, simple ingredients, inexpensive, filling, delicious. You can make anytime. And remember, friends, cooking with love provides food for the soul. And thank you for watching my channel. If you would like to see more of these easy, inexpensive videos, check out my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. And friends, have a blessed day and be safe. Thank you.